part 2 is here. You know what's gonna happen. So basically, I just died because it's so boring, so I'm gonna do the math one instead. So this is part 2. Yes. Make sure. Nothing like that. Okay. So I'm gonna head over to the topic part. So then yeah. So yeah, let's do this. Here's a tip on these. Wait, no. No. I'm not gonna say it. I accidentally went on Keisha Putt when I'm supposed to go on Toffees. Nobody cares, Keisha. Wait, be right back. Okay. So I'm back from my doctor's appointment. I paused the video a while later. And now I seem there's a glitch. Suppose. Now I got this Keisha with me. How about no? Imposter! Imposter! I'm Keisha. Yeah, I know. Nobody cares, Keisha. Okay. No. Flamethrower! Yes. Now that Keisha is gone. Nuh-uh. Okay. But this animation is epic. Oof. Ha. I burned your sister. Don't mind. Bye-bye, Risha. Oh, sorry, I didn't hear you. I'm sorry, Georgiaga. I'm sorry, I said. I didn't hear her. It's not mine, it's yours. Actually, it's Risha. She didn't tell me. No. Yes, I know. I sure. Wait, what are you planning to do? Wait, what? No, boy. Ah, jeez. Don't kill me. Ah! Don't mind me. My sister is watching MSA here. Now I'm dead. But I'm in a coma. Where? I'm not in. Oh wait. My name is Donna. I play George Eggers. Yes, I own a YouTube channel, but I don't post it often. So that's why I make this video, because this game just published. And it's been years since I haven't played it. Actually, it's been days since I haven't played it. Now I'm gonna play it. Now, let's go! Okay, I'm in the circus. Yeah, I'm gonna play music there. Yeah. So I heard that the Dissolette Jolly would be there when I turn around. Okay. Hi. How you doing, Freddy? Okay. Oh wait. Wait. Alright. Oh, Dissolette Jolly. Hi. Wait, no. Wait, not yet. Okay. So it's like a FNAF game, but... Okay. Oh wait, I'm supposed to hide, I'm supposed to hide. Wait. Come out. Oh wait. Ah! Jesus! Jesus! That's so wet, Charlie. I forgot about. Now I gotta try again because of just the wet Charlie. He helped me with his coma. He's practicing me with his FNAF. So he's gonna scare me every time I failed for, I don't know. So yeah. I think this Dissolette Jolly is helping me with my fears to defeat the Mecha Jaw. Sorry if I spoiled it for you. Let's go! Again? Come on! Go away, Bonnie. Ha! Bye-bye, Dissolette Jolly. No that chance. Hi. How you doing, Foxy? How'd you get? Yay. I can't keep the secret. Alright, what? Hey, Freddy, trying to peek in? I heard that you were failing all your exams. Oh. Hi. Ha! Bye-bye. This is what Jolly. That chance that you'll get me. Oh, hi there. How you doing? How'd you fail at all your exams? Hi. Okay. Bye. Okay, the video is about to end. Almost. Okay. Hi. How you? How you doing? Hi. The bell will chime every time. Oh, hi there, Freddy. I heard you failed all your exams again. I can explain. Okay. It's about to be over. I'm glad. Just to let Jolly, you helped me face my fear. I really know what to do now. No, that's alright. I'm gonna see you next time on part 3.